In today's rapidly shifting digital landscape, the need for businesses to proactively manage risk has never been more crucial. As global supply chains expand and third-party partnerships become the norm rather than the exception, companies are exposed to a broader array of threats than ever before. From data breaches and regulatory non-compliance to reputational risks and geopolitical instability. That's where KYP steps in as a transformative force. This powerful platform is not just an incremental improvement on existing risk intelligence tools. It's a complete paradigm shift in how enterprise risk is assessed, monitored, and managed. At its core, KYP is a real-time, third-party enterprise risk intelligence platform designed with the single-minded purpose of enabling businesses to make smarter, faster, and safer decisions. Unlike static assessments or periodic audits that quickly become outdated, KYP offers perpetual monitoring, delivering dynamic, actionable insights into the ever-evolving risk profiles of your partners, vendors, and suppliers. In a world where a single overlooked vulnerability in your supply chain can snowball into a multi-million-dollar liability, having KYP in your corner isn't just a smart decision, it's a critical one. KYP's value proposition lies in its ability to give organizations a complete and continuously updated picture of who they're working with. This isn't just about identifying red flags. It's about illuminating the full spectrum of risks that a third party might pose, whether it's cyber threats, ESG compliance, financial stability, or legal disputes. KYP's insights are tailored to empower decision-makers with context-rich, real-time data that informs not just risk mitigation strategies, but also procurement, compliance, and strategic planning decisions. One of KYP's standout features is its real-time risk alerts. In contrast to traditional systems where updates might take weeks or months to trickle through, KYP offers businesses the agility to respond immediately to new developments. Did a vendor experience a data breach yesterday? Is a supplier under investigation today? With KYP, you're not finding out weeks after the damage is done. You're acting on that intelligence while it still matters. This kind of speed and responsiveness can mean the difference between maintaining operational continuity and facing unexpected disruption. What also sets KYP apart is its intuitive and highly visual interface. Risk intelligence doesn't need to be buried in dense reports or inaccessible dashboards. With KYP, even complex information is made easy to interpret, enabling everyone from risk analysts to C-suite executives to engage with the data meaningfully. Whether you're assessing a single vendor or managing thousands of third-party relationships across continents, KYP scales with your needs and empowers your team to see the big picture and the fine details, all at once. But KYP is more than just a dashboard or a stream of alerts. It's a platform that actively enhances governance, risk, and compliance, GRC strategies across the enterprise. By integrating seamlessly into existing workflows and systems, it ensures that risk management is not an afterthought or a siloed department. It becomes a continuous, embedded part of how your business operates. In other words, KYP doesn't just help you react to risk, it helps you anticipate it and build resilience from the inside out. One of the most compelling aspects of KYP is its focus on third-party relationships, which are often the weakest link in an organization's security and compliance chain. Businesses today rely on a complex web of service providers, contractors, technology vendors, and global suppliers. Every one of those relationships introduces potential risks. With KYP, you're no longer navigating that complexity blindfolded. Instead, you gain visibility into the health and integrity of every node in your operational ecosystem. The platform leverages AI-powered analytics and comprehensive data aggregation to generate profiles that are far deeper and more insightful than a simple credit score or surface-level compliance check. It combines structured data like legal filings and financial reports, with unstructured data like news articles and social media sentiment, all to deliver a 360-degree view of third-party risk. This holistic approach is what makes KYP not just a tool for risk managers, but a strategic asset for the entire organization. In sectors where regulatory scrutiny is increasing, such as finance, healthcare, energy, and technology, KYP also proves indispensable. By automating the ongoing due diligence process and providing audit-ready documentation, it ensures that companies are always ready to demonstrate compliance with evolving regulations. For enterprises operating in multiple jurisdictions with varying standards, this capability translates into significant time and cost savings, not to mention peace of mind. KYP's architecture is built for scalability, security, and interoperability. Whether you're a mid-sized company with a handful of suppliers or a multinational enterprise with a global vendor network, KYP adapts to your scale without compromising on performance. Its API-first design allows for easy integration with procurement systems, ERP platforms, and compliance software, ensuring a smooth transition and maximizing return on investment from day one. Another notable advantage is KYP's commitment to user empowerment through transparency. The platform doesn't just feed you scores or vague metrics. It breaks down how those insights were derived, what sources were consulted, and what trends are driving the current risk posture. This empowers risk teams to go beyond gut instinct or legacy heuristics and engage in data-driven decision-making, grounded in evidence and clarity. In a broader context, KYP's mission reflects the growing importance of resilience in modern business strategy. It's no longer sufficient to be efficient. Companies must also be adaptable, aware, and preemptive. The ability to spot a problem before it hits, to address a vulnerability before it's exploited, and to pivot strategies based on real-world developments is what separates thriving organizations from those that falter. KYP provides the tools, insights, and automation needed to achieve that level of operational maturity. It's also worth mentioning the increasing role of ESG, environmental, social, and governance metrics, in shaping enterprise strategy and investor confidence. KYP integrates ESG risk tracking into its platform, enabling businesses to align with sustainability goals, monitor environmental and labor risks within their supply chains, and ensure their partners adhere to the same ethical standards they promote internally. In an age where brand integrity is closely linked to who you do business with, this function is more than a value add, it's a necessity. As we move deeper into a future defined by interconnectedness and complexity, platforms like KYP will not only be beneficial, they'll be essential. Companies that fail to adapt to real-time, intelligence-driven risk management will find themselves increasingly exposed, while those who embrace tools like KYP will gain a formidable competitive advantage. They will make better decisions, avoid costly surprises, and build stronger, more resilient partnerships. In conclusion, KYP offers an elegant, powerful solution to one of the most pressing challenges of our time: understanding and managing third-party risk. It brings together real-time monitoring, actionable intelligence, user-friendly design, and deep integrations to empower businesses to navigate complexity with confidence. Whether you're a compliance officer trying to meet regulatory standards, a procurement lead evaluating a new vendor, or a CEO looking to protect your company's reputation, KYP equips you with the insights and tools you need to stay one step ahead. And in today's world, staying ahead isn't just a goal, it's a requirement.